Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about one of Teacher David's favorite parts of the English language, idioms. Come along, let's have some idioms. What are they? How to use them. What is an idiom? An idiom is a common phrase where we understand all of the words in the sentence, but there's a hidden meaning. If you don't understand the idiom, you won't understand the hidden meaning. So when people use idioms, you have to be able to understand what they're talking about. So what I've done today is I've compiled a list, 4 fun categories about different styles of idioms. Our first idioms topic is animals. It's raining cats and dogs. Cats and dogs falling from the sky? No. The meaning, it's raining very heavily. Don't forget your umbrella. It's raining cats and dogs out there. Let the cat out of the bag. Why do you have a cat in a bag? We don't. It means to reveal a secret by accident. Patrick let the cat out of the bag about Gigi's surprise party. Hold your horses. Horses are big. Can you hold them? No. Hold your horses means wait, be patient. Hold your horses. We're not leaving yet. Our second category today, sports idioms. Hit it out of the park. Why would you do that? Why would you hit something out of the park? If you're in the park, you want to play in the park. That's not what it means. It means to do something very well. You hit it out of the park with that presentation. Throw in the towel. Towel, dry yourself with when you come out of the shower. Do you throw it into the bathtub? No. To throw in the towel means to give up. It comes from boxing. After trying to fix the car for hours, he threw in the towel. Get the ball rolling. Why would you want a ball to roll unless you're playing sports? No, you wouldn't. Get the ball rolling means to start something. Let's get the ball rolling on our project. Our third category is warning idioms. When you need to warn something about something. Give warnings, give advice. Walking on thin ice. Don't walk on thin ice. It's not very safe. But that's not what it means. It's not literal. It means taking a risk, being in a dangerous situation. You're walking on thin ice by missing work again. A red flag. A red flag is a sign of danger or a problem. At the beach, you see red flags when you shouldn't swim in the sea. But a red flag means a sign of danger or a problem. His behavior was a real red flag for the manager. Play with fire. Don't play with fire, it's dangerous. But the meaning for the idiom, to take a big risk that could end badly. Don't invest all your money, you're playing with fire. Category 4 today, feelings idioms. Feelings. We all have feelings, they're very important. They're very common in spoken English to talk about feelings using idioms. How do you feel? On cloud 9. Cloud in the sky? 1, 2, 3. What one's cloud 9? Cloud 9 means extremely happy. She was on cloud 9 after hearing the good news. Down in the dumps means feeling sad or depressed. He's been down in the dumps since he returned from Thailand. Butterflies in my stomach. I haven't eaten butterflies. I don't have actual butterflies in my stomach. It means feeling nervous. I had butterflies in my stomach before the big test. So that's our short video on idioms. We had 4 different categories, 3 idioms in each category, so 12 short idioms. There are many different idioms. If you click in the description, I have added a PDF of the 150 most common idioms used today. They're very common in spoken English, especially if you go to the United Kingdom. We use idioms all the time, and phrasal verbs. I'm going to do a video on phrasal verbs soon, okay? So, tell me what you thought of the video. Which was your favorite idioms? What idioms do you know already? In the link, in the comment, down below. Remember, like the video, comment, subscribe, and if you want to see more videos, click on this video right here. Thank you guys for watching to the end. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.